calls this evening for a referendum to be held on whether Portmore should become the 15th parish. A joint select committee of Parliament recently approved the plan for the Sunshine City to be given parish status, but authorities in St. Catherine believe it's the people of Portmore who should decide. Kelisha Williams has that story.
On Wednesday, the country got the clearest indication yet that Portmore could soon become the 15th parish in the island. This after the Joint Select Committee reviewing the proposal approved the plan. But according to Mayor of Portmore, Leon Thomas, the proposal was approved without sufficient consultation with citizens.
What they have done was to have some virtual town hall meetings. And the majority of the citizens in Portmore is not aware of it. And when the meeting is being held, the citizens themselves did not get a chance to have a say.
Mr. Thomas said he will also bring the matter to the Portmore Municipal Corporation. He explained that when proposals were made for Portmore to become a municipality, several consultative meetings were held with residents.
It wasn't a few gathered and decide what they are going to give to the people. It is unjust to the people of Portmore.
Councillors are also disgruntled and are calling for a referendum.
For the upcoming local government elections, for the ballots that will be presented to the people of Portmore, the question is asked on the ballot whether they support or does not support a 15th parish.
Councillor for the Greater Portmore North Division, Gary Nicholson, went as far as to move a motion for the Spanish Town Municipal Corporation to state its position on the government's proposal. 15 councillors voted against, meaning they are not in support of Portmore becoming the 15th parish without consultation with the residents. 7 voted to support the proposal while 1 person abstained. There have been mounting concerns from various stakeholders over the proposal since it was mentioned in the Jamaica Labour Party's manifesto in 2020. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.